Hello, 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 everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Root Beer here looking at question number 17 on our 2017 grade 7 Gauss paper. Let's take a look, shall we? So, the mean, or average, of the four numbers 78, 83, 82, and x. So x is some unknown, but we know that the average there is 80. Alright, so we actually can figure out what x is. Which of the one of the following statements is true? So we're not just trying to calculate x here. We're given these interesting statements. X is 2 greater than the mean. X is 1 less than the mean. But of course, this is all just sort of a disguise. We are told that the mean is 80. So A is really just saying x is 2 greater than the mean. X is 82. Or x is 72. Or sorry, not 72, 79. Or x is 78. 3 less than the mean, x would be 77. X is equal to the mean, that's x is 80. So we really can answer this question just figuring out, well, what is x? Okay, and I'd say that's probably the most natural thing for people to try and do. So how do we figure out averages? Well, we know 80 is the average, also called the mean, and you figure it out by adding up all the numbers and dividing by how many numbers there are. And this gives me an equation in terms of x. Now, just wanted to make sure, yeah, 83 and 82. So if we multiply both sides by 4, we get 320 is 78 plus 82 plus 83 plus x. That's going to be 78 and 82 is 160 plus 80 is 240, so 243 plus x. All right, so subtracting 243 from both sides, we get x, and if you need to, you grab your calculator, but it should be 77 is equal to the value of x. Okay, so which answer did we think was 77? Well, that's going to be D. X is 3 less than the mean. X is 3 less than 80. 77 is 3 less than 80. Now, why did they bother to phrase the question this way? Well, one thing you could try and do with this question is say, well, instead of all this, what do the statements actually mean? You could say, well, look at the numbers we've got. 78 is 2 less than the mean, but 82 sort of balances that out by being 2 more. Now, 83 is another number we're given. It's 3 more than the mean. In order for things to balance out, this x should sort of counterbalance the 83, and so should be 3 less than the mean, just because 83 is 3 more than the mean. So that's another way to view the question. But of course, for that to work, the numbers have to line up and balance each other out quite nicely, when I think most people are just going to reach for the average formula and rearrange from there. Okay? So thanks for watching. I'll see you for question number 18 in the next video.